Can I ask you something? Go ahead. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept 8 hours. Do you use an alarm clock? Yes, on my phone. What is the first thing you do? I turn off the alarm. Did you get up right away? No, I stay in bed 5 minutes. What do you do next? I go to the bathroom. Do you wash your face? Yes, with cold water. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, every morning. How long does you brush? For 2 minutes. Do you take a shower? Yes, every morning. Hot or cold water? Hot water. How long is your shower? About 10 minutes. Do you wash your hair? Yes, every other day. What soap do you use? Regular body soap. Do you use shampoo? Yes, and conditioner. What do you wear today? Jeans and a t-shirt. Do you choose clothes the night before? No, in the morning. How long does it take? About 5 minutes. Do you iron your clothes? Sometimes if needed. What should you wear? Sneakers. Do you wear a watch? Yes, every day. Do you wear jewelry? Just a ring. Do you use a mirror? Yes, to check my clothes. Do you comb your hair? Yes, with a brush. Do you use hair products? Yes, a little gel. Do you wear makeup? No, I don't. Do you put on perfume? Yes, a little. Are you ready now? Yes, almost. What else do you need? My keys and wallet. Where are your keys? On the table. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, every day. What do you eat? Rice and eggs. Do you drink coffee? Yes, with the milk. How many cups? Just 1 cup. Do you drink tea? No, I prefer coffee. Do you eat cereals? Sometimes with milk. Do you eat fruits? Yes, a banana. Do you drink juice? Yes, orange juice. Do you cook breakfast? Yes, I make egg. How do you like your egg scrambled? Do you use butter? Yes, on my toast. Do you eat bread? Yes, whole wheat. How long is breakfast? About 50 minutes. Do you eat at the table? Yes, in the kitchen.